If you need to cancel your Stripe free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, locate the billing section in the dashboard. This area contains all the information related to your subscriptions and trials. Step 3. Find your active trial. In the billing section, look for the Subscriptions or Trials tab. Here, you will see a list of your active subscriptions, including any free trials currently in effect. Step 4. Select the free trial to cancel. Click on the specific free trial you want to cancel. This will open the details of the trial, where you can find options related to managing the subscription. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Look for the option to cancel the trial and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any messages regarding the cancellation to understand any implications. After completing these steps, your Stripe free trial will be cancelled. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Stripe support for help.